Industrial Consumables one-stop procurement. Diamond disc. All kinds of styles are available. Versatile for all needs. From dry to wet cutting, we have the right blade for every job. PCT saw blade. High hardness, wear resistance. Ideal for industrial-grade precision cutting, balancing efficiency and lifespan. Diamond wheel. The diamond fangs of industrial machinery. Wire brush. 6 heavy-duty brush types conquer all challenges. Say goodbye to stubborn contaminants. Flat disc, applied on rust, paint, ferrous, stainless steel, non-ferrous metals, wood and plastics. Non-woven flat disc, fast and steady finish without clogging. Cooler cut, strip disc. The disc can aggressively clean without significantly altering the base material. Fiber disc, premium aluminum oxide grain ensures great efficiency and durability. Sanding disc, outstanding for rough grinding and sanding, derusting metal parts. Sanding bath, from 100 grit rough grinding to mirror polishing, one system does the job. LU oxide ceramic wheel. Innovative aluminum molecular structure. Drill. Professional drill bit matrix meets all demand scenarios.
Buy better. Buy PEGATEC.